Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nest thermostat. First, let's cover a soft reset, which is perfect for minor glitches without losing your personalized settings. Simply press the display ring to access the main menu. From there, navigate to Settings, then Reset, and choose Restart. Confirm your selection, and your thermostat will quickly reboot, often resolving small issues in just a few moments, keeping all your preferences intact. Next, we'll discuss a factory reset that erases all your personalized settings, schedules, and Wi-Fi details. This is ideal if you're selling your home or facing persistent software problems. To perform this, press the display ring, navigate to Settings, then Reset, and select Factory Reset. You'll need to confirm this action 2 times to ensure you truly wish to proceed, completely wiping the device clean. Now, for a more comprehensive reset, the Erase All Settings option completely removes the thermostat from your Nest account. This is crucial if you are giving the device to a new owner or replacing it entirely. Access the main menu, go to Settings, then Reset, and choose Erase All Settings. Confirm this action to permanently unlink the device, ensuring your personal data is no longer associated with it. Finally, here are some troubleshooting tips and best practices. Always ensure your thermostat has sufficient power before attempting any reset. If problems continue, check your home's circuit breaker for any power interruptions. Should you still encounter persistent errors after trying these resets, it's best to contact Nest support for further assistance. Remember, backing up important settings before a full factory reset is always a smart move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.